Hello, my name is Peter and I am in Professor Blanco's ENC 1101 class. Today I'm going to show you how to install RAM into a computer. What is RAM? RAM makes your computer faster. You ever get those error messages where your internet is about to close, and you can only click X or OK, and either way, whatever you do, internet just shuts off. Well, this will probably solve that problem. So, here's what you do. With this computer, there's a little switch in the back right here. And you hold it down on the side, take that off. Now, to figure out which is the right RAM, you go to this website called crucial.com, and it has a list of all different computers. I did that, and I found out this was the right one. So, here's what you do. Okay. This is the RAM. Right here. Right there. There. So, too zoomed in. You hold down the white levers. Now you want to do this when this is unplugged. Alright. Those are out. Then you put the new ones in. Old one. Oh, they have stickers on them. You do not want to take off the stickers. See, it says warranty void if removed. So this was 128 megabytes. This is 1 gigabyte. So put that in. Now there's a little, I don't know if you can see it there. There's a little hole right there, and that determines which way the RAM goes. So here's how you do this. And it's in. Yeah. Put it back. You plug it in. And when you plug it back in, you get a message on the monitor saying RAM has been changed. Please strike, I think, F1 to continue. And you do that, and that's it. The end. I hope you enjoyed this.